artificial intelligence-based solution from Panasonic iPro with the help of video insight as well as multi-AI server. So here what we are displayed, the camera can search for human beings with special characteristics, like for example, now I made a search based on the orange shirt color or orange top color. So now look at the result. So out of all these people, we got the result who have orange or similar color top. The similar way you can do based on different characteristics like age, hairstyle, top color, bottom type like pants color. I mean, whoever wears sunglasses or do not have wear sunglass, mask or non-mask, even with the direction as well. I mean, person moving in a particular direction, you can do the search. The same way we can do for vehicles.